Alright, welcome back to the Channel 38 Gang, man. It's your boy Seshy Student, man. I know y'all seen the title with thumbnail. I got a big interior update. Brought to you guys from Dyna Performance, man. If y'all didn't see that last video from my interior when I got the first kit, that one was like $900. I'll leave the video up in the right and also in the description down below. Stay tuned for the video, guys. Here go cold start for all the real ones that have been supporting the channel. Like I always do, guys. Alright, 38 Gang. So look, as y'all see, come on look. If y'all didn't see that last install either, go check that out. I was in the playlist. Alright, but look, I got some carbon fiber already in here a little bit, all around in the. Try to show it as good as you can. Up here in the speedometer over there, it's all in here, even around over on the door, right here. So I'm just basically about to fill it all in. I got carbon fiber to go right here, right on the seat right here, over here, on the shifter. What else I get? The seat belts. It's a bunch, but it's all right here though. The coasters. Pretty much everywhere where I didn't get it at the first time. So basically, I'm gonna do this side first, since that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna prep it with some alcohol and stuff. And we're gonna speed this up. I'll show y'all when it's all, when I get to the next part. It should be on there good, but I'm gonna apply some pressure. Just add a little carbon fiber touch, guys. Stay tuned. I gotta order the carbon fiber panel piece that go right here and on the other side. I forgot to order that joint. I'll get it this week though. Alright, 38 Gang, man. I know y'all see me install all this carbon fiber, so here's the big reveal. Pretty much with it all in there. But yeah, it's definitely smacking on another level now. Plus I did the sorry. So plus I did all of this, all of that. I just did this. This was something new. This came out pretty tight. So all of this got filled in, carbon fiber. So now it's a full carbon fiber flush. And yeah, man, I'm thinking about changing that steering wheel, making that steering wheel carbon fiber with the pedal shifters on it. But man, I hope y'all enjoy my content, guys. Stay tuned for another video. I'll probably do my doggy update with them next. And yeah, guys, man, smash that like button. I appreciate all the support, 38 gang. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video, y'all. Peace.